What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get nerves. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get nerves.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, grande stacchi, stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e
After pulling out of the oven, little lady said, let's go for a walk. So we walked about a good mile and a half, 2 miles. This pizza's cooled off now. Let's have a try. I know, I got pineapple on it. And what was that? And now pineapple, I will say, is good on pizza, but pineapple does not, and I'll repeat, does not belong on pizza. But I like it. It's okay. Let's go for it. Alright folks, so the dough in that pizza, I did a little bit different. I used a little less water than normal, and I want to stiffen up that dough a little bit to see how it would be. It was good, but I do like my traditional way of making pizza dough, where it's light and fluffy, and but it was good. It was really good. That sauce from Meyer, I'm telling you guys, if you live in the Midwest or the Great Lakes region, get that stuff. That organic stuff from Meyer is great. That's about all I have. And sorry if I offend anybody about the pineapple comment, but you go to Italy and say you want pizza with pineapple on it, they're gonna kill you, okay? So, it's not a thing. But here in the US, we have freedoms, and we're gonna take advantage of them, right? I'm Paulie, never trust a guinea cook. I'm out.